welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Guys, I've been hoarding this video series for a disgusting amount of time, okay? So now you're gonna watch it, because it's good. I transformed an older house from ugly to lovely with only $1,500 and the help of my 15-year-old little brother. Now, we are by no means professional contractors, painters, or anything like that, so please bear with us. I'm sure we've made plenty of DIY mistakes in that house. It's okay. It's okay. Long story short, back in the summer of 2020, we wanted to do something nice for our parents, so we booked them an Airbnb for 6 days so that we could transform the space and, you know, get them out of our hairs. And we worked on the kitchen, dining room, front entrance, and hallway, and they said I could do whatever I wanted in there. So stick around for the 6th series episode to see how it turned out. So we're gonna take all the dishes out of here and turn this into just like a trophy cabinet. This separates.
Seriously?
That's what I kept saying, so we gotta put this on the floor first.
Oh, alright.
So I'm just scared that this is gonna tip like this. We cannot let that happen.
Yeah. Should we like pop?
Ready? 1. Oh god.
2.
3.
Go.
Lift! Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
You got it.
Okay. Oh!
We're good.
Okay,
We're
put it down, put it down, put it down.
Yep, yep. Watch this.
We did it! Alright. It's the China's new home. Made some progress. So we got this out of here. It's dark out at this point. We're gonna keep going. So this right here gotta go. And it's screwed. So we're gonna take out these screws and hopefully we should be able to easily pry it off of this. My brother's trying to unscrew this thing from the floor because my power screwdriver died, of course. On day 1, it dies. I'm taking a break. Kitchen just looks bigger. This is where it's gonna be. We're gonna paint this to match the rest of the kitchen, but this is gonna go here now. Day 2, how you feeling?
Tired.
That's all?
Yeah.
Hey, come back here.
Hey.
Come back here.
No,
Come back here.
man.
$1. Look at that. $1. This is his first time painting.
I'm gonna go cool charcoal and snowbank for the kitchen.
Look at the coverage. Wow. That rolled on really thick. Good job, PJ. We got the corners. We're gonna paint these walls next. Got all this crusty wallpaper off, so we're gonna sand these walls next. I'll clean this up.
From the kitchen to the dining room, I'm going toasted marshmallow.
This looks like white.
Kind of, yeah.
Damn. Should have gone a little more toasted. Day 3. Y'all, why is it white?
So I'm at Home Depot getting another can of paint because the other one's too freaking white. Hopefully this is the right color, because if not, I quit. Second can of paint. I bought this Seriously Sand, and he put some on here and let it dry, and it looks pretty good. Take two. Oh yes, okay, beige. Come through, beige. Yes, this is what I wanted. And it's nice and light too. Like, I didn't want it to be a dark beige. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, much better, much better. Big difference. This is the old paint color. This is the new one. So as you can see, this is what was supposed to be beige. We gotta finish painting the ceiling crispy. We're gonna paint the window molding trim white. Yeah, we gotta do these ugly ass floors. Look at this, beige wall. We have to clean up the ceiling, ignore that. Beige wall, white ceilings. This is gonna be white. My brother painted the hallway. We got the hallway painted. We have to clean up the floor. He hasn't painted this yet. We ran out of paint. He put a fresh, ooh, look how crispy and clean that is. We are getting some more paint for this door and then also to paint all the baseboards. We're getting to work. We're doing floors today, and these cabinets are going to be gray today.